Hi, very fresh evening to all. Today is a very interesting topic. The topic is about to. About to. ABOUT. About to. You know something? Always about to is happiness. About to. We gonna do. We attempted do. We attempted to do. Always about to is happiness. See, Diwali is not happy. Diwali before night is happy, right? Then that before night only we are so happy that we are going to meet Diwali. Not Diwali day we are happy. Sunday is not happy. Saturday night is happy, right? Always about to is happy. Even from the school stage, when you go LKG and we achieve what second standard and fourth standard, we want to see the forward things, not backward things, right? About to, about I want to go plus one plus two. By seeing the higher secondary, I want to go higher secondary. By seeing the college, I want to go college. By seeing other, I want to go job. By seeing others, I want to get married. By seeing others I want to get a child. By seeing others I want to become a head of the family. Always about to is happiness, right? Stages of ghost. You take the best example. Ghost is fearful until it is appear to us. Once it has appeared to us now, we won't fear about the ghost, right? About to is always happiness. About to is always thrill. You see, come here. I want to say one thing. You know who is actually really happy? No, rich or poor? No, seriously, it is poor. In a Reliance retail shop, so many materials, so many jewels, so many things are there. No, the rich will buy very fastly. That moment itself, how to say, that interesting feel has gone. But this guy, always thinking about to buy, about to buy. That feel is that feel is actually happy. Statistically, when compared to the rich, the poor consumption, when you about to buy something, window shopping we used to say, Vishal D Mall or other thing, we used to go for window shopping, and that time we used to see everything and we want to buy. That is called happiness. Not having is not happiness. Not had is not happiness. To have is happiness. About is always happiness. We want to buy a bike. We want to buy a car. After bought the bike, not maintaining the car so. About to is always happiness. Everybody is so active in national anthem because tomorrow is holiday. Biryani. Mama is saying tomorrow I'm going to prepare a biryani. Be happy. Not happy, happiest. And after that, Amma tomorrow has come. Amma is going to prepare the biryani. Happier. And after that, Amma start to serve in our plate. Happy. It's like law of diminishing marginal utility. Every time you are hearing, it is diminishing. About to is always happy. That's true, highly true. Even now, I wanted to see my lovey. I wanted to see my wife. About to is always happiness. Love grows in absence. Love grows in absence. About to is happiness. Always about to is happiness. That's what Gandhiji usually say this very popular quote. முயற்சியில் இருக்கும் ஆனந்தம் வெற்றி கிடைத்த பின் கிடைப்பதில்லை. முயற்சியில்தான் எல்லா ஆனந்தமும். The endeavor and trying that you are attempting to achieve something, that is very fruitful than achieving than the achievement. Always above to is happiness. So cherish always ambition in your mind. Above to. Cherish always ambition. Stay expected. When will unlock. Above to is happiness. Cherish ambition. Have target. Move towards the dot life. Always above to is happiness, my dear. Keep on try. That trying is actually happiness, not achievement. Always above to is happiness. My above to is happiness is you gonna watch this video. Thank you. Love you all. Bye.